Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best 54-inch boot laces that you can get your hands on, the Miscly round boot laces. If you're in need of some durable, heavy-duty laces for your boots, work boots, or hiking shoes, stick around. Because these laces are built to last and might just be the upgrade your boots need. First off, let's talk about the durability of these laces. Miscly has designed these boot laces with reinforced nylon cords, the same ones that are used in parachutes, ensuring that they are strong and can hold up in even the harshest conditions. Whether you're hiking through rough terrain or working long hours in your boots, these laces are tough enough to handle it. The 3/16-inch diameter gives them just the right amount of thickness to ensure that they don't snap or wear out too quickly, even with heavy use. One of the best features of these laces is that they stay tied all day. The outer polyester weave grips tightly to the eyelets of your boots, making sure that no matter how much you move, these laces won't come undone. This is perfect for people who are constantly on the go, whether you're on the job or out in the wild. Another key selling point of these laces is their versatility. Available in a variety of lengths, from 27 inches to 108 inches, you can find the perfect fit for your boots, hiking shoes, or any other footwear that requires sturdy laces. And if you're not sure what size you need, simply measure your current laces or check the size chart provided by Miscly to make sure you get the right fit. The aesthetic of these boot laces is also worth mentioning. They come in a sleek black-brown color that pairs well with most boots, giving them a sharp, clean look. The laces are also resistant to dirt and fraying, meaning they'll maintain their quality and appearance, even after multiple uses. So, if you're tired of replacing your laces every few months, these will give you the long-lasting performance you need. Lastly, let's talk about the peace of mind that comes with a lifetime warranty. Miscly stands behind their product, offering a lifetime warranty to ensure that these boot laces will last for as long as you need them. Whether you're using them for work or for outdoor adventures, you can count on Miscly to provide excellent support and durability. So if you're in the market for some top-tier boot laces that combine strength, durability, and reliability, look no further than the Miscly round boot laces. They're the best 54-inch boot laces you can buy, and we highly recommend them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this.